Captain.
Yeah.
I need you to dock your ship there.
That's good. That's good.
Could you put a rush on it, please?
Alright guys, so we are rounding up some supplies and then dropping those supplies off in this video for a job that Dirt Perfect is doing. A little dark in this first clip, but we wanted to get started nice and early. It'll pick up from here. Okay, so here's the scenario with this pipe. This is the septic pipe for these sand lines that we use. When the delivery driver came, it was pretty muddy, so he dropped it off right there so it wouldn't make a mess. We're just going to transport them across the job site from this point. Shouldn't be any problem. I got Dirt Perfect down the back there holding me down. As long as he doesn't pick up his GoPro and try to shoot a video at the same time, we'll be fine. Didn't see that coming. Alright, we got it loaded back up, round 2. Seriously, all he's got to do is hold onto the pipe and we won't have any problems from this point. Where is he going?
So we came in that way. It wasn't too bad, but it was a little soft. Mike said he's had it through here before. So, well, we're gonna try it through here. Yep. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'm gonna set you somewhere. pipe moved. The other pipe moved. The straw moved. We are down to moving one last thing to start this job. And I know what you're thinking. There's no way that 4850 is going to fit on that trailer. You're right. We're taking the SBL 95-2. Get that loaded up. We'll get it there. Coming back through the woods, we got the Kubota SVL 90-2 on the back. And the goal is not break any mirrors. Pretty admirable goal. You saw offload there?
Let me just back off there.
Well. What? Alright. We're just gonna offload right here. Oh my god, I got you guys upside down right now. Super embarrassing. So the trailer didn't really make the creek with it being loaded, but that works out perfect. Look at that. We'll walk that thing right off there. What's that?
The tilt don't work.
The tilt doesn't work, no. No, it's not.
Captain,
Yeah,
I need you to dock your ship there.
that's good. That's good.
Could you put a rush on it, please? The wind's a little out of the north, so I'm gonna have to hold her hard to the starboard side. What am I talking about? That's way too complicated for him. Watch out, here he comes. See if we can get him to back off the ledge. Whoa, where are you going? That's a wrap, folks. Captain Kleeman's back to sea.
Look at this behind the scenes footage. You guys see him? You see him? He's making a video right now. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. All right, that's it for today. We're going home.
Hey, all right, as always, we were having way too much fun at work. But hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to leave some comments, and we'll catch you on the next one.